Hello students, from today we are going to start our third chapter name Comparing a Globe and a Map Field Visits. And in the last two videos we learned about the meridians and about the parallels, and we also learned how they are used to determine the right location of a place on the earth. And now we also learn some of the important parallels and meridians like equator, prime meridian, tropic of Cancer, tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle, Antarctic Circle and polar region. And we also learn about the graticule, and we know very well the globe is a miniature model of the earth. And now in this video or in this lesson number third, we have to learn about the both devices or the both map and globe comparatively. Let us compare a map and a globe and understand the difference between them. And we have to find out, or we have to learn, we have to understand the difference between the map. It's a map of world, and here you can see globe, and it's a map of India, right? It's of world, it's of India, and it's a globe, and globe means a miniature model of the earth. So let's begin. Now it is for you. Do it yourself. Make groups of 5 or 6. Each group should have a world map, a map of India and a globe. Study them and answer the following questions. Now it's a group activity, but here we are not in the class, so you have to imagine that you are in the group and you are with your friends and we are studying the same lesson. And what they told, world map, a map of India and a globe, and each group or you have to study about the world map, about the India's map and about the globe. And then after we have to answer the following questions that are given in on page number 17. Very simple questions, and after this video this question you have to note down in your notebook, right? It is for your homework. So we will go towards questions. Now the first question is, which device is flat? Flat means it's a flat surface, right? Flat. The book, we can see here, it's a book, and in this book the surface is flat. So the very simple question you can answer it. Which device is flat? It's a map, right? Map of India and map of world. In the full sentence you have to answer map of world and map of India. Now which device is spherical? Spherical means like a circle or like a ball, and here you can see this device is a spherical, and this device is known as globe, right? So second number question's answer, globe is a spherical. Now we will go towards question number third. Which of these devices allows you to see the entire area of the earth at the same time? Now in these two, now just it is little confusion. So see, if you are going to see only map, then you can't see the whole or entire area of that earth. Just because of the flat surface you can see only one side. So with the help of or the globe allows you to see the entire area. Now which device allow you to see only one side of the earth? Only one side of the earth? It's map, it's a world map. Which device can be used for studying a particular region in detail? Studying a particular region in detail. Then which device? Map can be used for studying the particular region in detail. Now the last question, which device can be called a model of the earth? And very simple, it's a globe can be called as a model of the earth. So friends, these are 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. These 6 questions you have to note down in your notebook, and in it just we have compared with the map and globe, and we also learn about their shape. Like this map, it is of flat shape, and globe, it is of spherical shape. And in the next video we will learn about the use and how these are useful for us in studying the geography.